operation, maintenance, and expansion. So, in the last 3 years, gas pipelines, transmission lines, ports, airports, etc., have been handed over to the private sector. In the next 5 years, the finance minister set a target of about $120 billion for monetization of infrastructure assets. So while all this is going on, the government of India is, India will continue to reform. There was a lot of impatience in regard to how fast we can reform and align with ourselves to the rest of the world. So the Honorable Prime Minister gave the idea of setting, it's called GIFT City. So we are about 5 years old when it was set up in 2019 by an act of parliament. Today, over the last 5 years, we have notified about 35 regulations which cover banking, insurance, the capital markets, aircraft leasing, ship leasing, the bullion markets, and so on and so forth. Today we have about 35 banks. The assets under management have crossed about $100 billion, with about $65 billion of credit outstanding at this point of time. We have 2 international exchanges which trade liquid derivatives, which are basically stock index futures of Indian market, and they do about 100 bonds. Recently, we have also issued a transition bond framework which supports the hard-to-abate sectors as well. Bond target which the government mentioned, and things like the hydrogen mission, which target about 5 million tons per annum by 2030. The entire corporate world in India would rely on, besides the domestic market. The domestic market is indeed very hot because the IPO market is really hot with last year 327 issuances covering about $19 billion. So, but still, India will have to raise its investment goal from about 32% of the GDP to about 40%. And our savings rate is about 30%, so which means there will be an investment gap which needs to be filled by foreign direct investment. So IFSCA will be a platform for raising of all these investments. We have an active fund industry for equity and hybrid investments as well. There are about 300 alternate investment funds, venture capital funds, private equity, hedge and debt funds registered with us. They have actually a commitment of nearly about $22 billion, and they have invested about $11 billion into India as well. So IFSCA is an agile 5th financial sector regulator in India. We have our ears to the ground. We are very happy to interact with the corporate world. If I may end by saying that what have we done in the last 5 years? We have brought the global corporate financial marketplace to the doorstep. Today, you don't have to go to Luxembourg or London to issue a bond or to raise $1 billion in credit. You can come to GIFT City. Thank you very much and look forward to active interaction.